Article 193 sub-article 3, Article 99 sub-article 3, it says if you are impeached like me, you have an active case. It does not end there. You have an active appeal. The law does not end there. It says, reviews. Active appeal or reviews. I've lost my appeals, but I've got very good grounds for review. So it does not end there. We say aluta continue. I've gone all those to the East African Court of Justice. We know they don't have appellate powers. But you see, their decisions are binding. Pass 1 to Article 2, Sub-Article 5 and 6. The East African Court of Justice is properly constituted to hear any matters. Martha Karua was there. Yang Yong was there. He got justice. Yeah. Yes. Active appeal or review. You on the ballot.
Now, shall file that active appeal? Not yet.
You know, come and get my file. I could not have talked about my cases to the media. It will be sub judice. We know the law. So
that review is underway.
It's underway. But I've got all those affidavits. I'll share the documents with you. I've got the affidavit of the move of the impeachment, Honorable Ogada. I've got the affidavit of Bernard Muturi was the speaker. The affidavit of Honorable Guyo, Ex-Excellency Governor of Isiolo, he was the second of my impeachment. What will say masi tuliitwa? In fact, they came to see me with their lawyers. Pole Sonko, haikuwa makosa yetu, wametusaidia sana, tunafanya kazi na wewe. But we were forced by the former deep state to fabricate lies to lie about you. So they went to lie at the county assembly, they lied at the Senate, they've been lying in court. Hakuna uongo una last. Uongo ni mfupi sana. So this is the only time that the truth has come. And I've got all those documents, even with me now. And some have already been filed at the Supreme Court. And I'm also having a problem with the Honorable Chief Justice. Walipeleka Chitembo nyumbani sababu aliongea kwa TV. Hata yeye ameongea kwa TV, ajipeleka nyumbani. No, she not be a place selectively in Kenya. We respect her, yes. Yeah, and na hatumwabuse, I'm addressing her kwa njia ya heshima. Yeah. Yes. There's some law he used to chase Chitembo from office. Let her use it to chase herself from office. We can't have justice when she's there. Because she had already formed an opinion about my case. She discussed it even before I appeared before them. And my appeal had already been filed there. It was active there. Yes.
Right.
And to make the matters worse, walipotuambush kusema lazima tuendelee na hearing, the Supreme Court rule says, ukiwa na kesi before them, once you file an appeal, you wait for the directions of the Deputy Registrar of the Supreme Court. Lazima atakuandikia kuambia now, serve your pleadings, serve your affidavits, your submissions, file and serve the respondents, Senate, of the Assembly, what have you. And once you serve the Senate and all the respondents, they are supposed also to do a response to your submissions and to your affidavits. And once they do that, you are given some days also to do what is called a rejoinder. A rejoinder. Yeah? Rule 22 of the Supreme Court, wanasema, they are not supposed to ambush you. They should give you a notice 14 days before wafanye hearing date. And even after compliance, the Deputy Registrar of Supreme Court was supposed to do we call it what? Pre-trial conference. Pre-trial conference, anauliza malawyer wa Sonko, have you complied? Yes. Respondents, Senate, County Assembly, have you complied? Yes. Can we pick a convenient date for all the parties? Yes. The court diary, we have maybe 20th of March next year. Maybe my lawyers that time will be busy in another matter somewhere else. So to convince the court, my lords, this day I'll be busy somewhere else. Same to the respondents. Then once we're in agreement, all of us, all of the parties, we pick a convenient dates. Yeah, all the parties, then we go for a hearing. What was the hurry for? They hurriedly rushed my matter. It was heard within 24 hours, determined within the next 24 hours. Even a presidential petition does not work that way. So me, what I want is justice. Whatever it takes to look for justice. Within 24 hours, my life ended, political life ended just like that. So for now, I'm talking because I don't have any active appeal before the Supreme Court, but with all those facts I've mentioned, I'm intending to go back to the Supreme Court. And I will not allow Martha Koome to sit on that bench because she had already formed an opinion before even hearing my appeal. And my appeal was filed actively before the Supreme Court. And she went to Spice TV and some all impeached governors. I was one of the impeached governors. So her opinion affected my case. And my Kenyan entitled to justice just like any other Kenyan. The same justice they gave me when they were dealing with the case of Justice Chidem, but we need that justice. Yes.